Hello, my friends, and happy 2018. I hope it has been a good year for you so far. You have not heard from me in quite a while. Let me explain my absence. Late in the summer, I received an offer on my home, where my shop was located, the home where I lived for 23 years. The noisy place right on a busy street. So, after a couple of months of consideration, was lamenting it. By now, it was so late in the year that if we did sell it, we wouldn't be able to find something suitable because it would be winter. My friend in Northern Ontario, who has been sick, graciously offered to open his doors to my family and said, please come stay with me for the winter and help me through the winter. I thought, geez, there's a good plan. Sell the house, go to Canada, help my friend through the winter, come back to America in the spring, find a place in New England, someplace nice and quiet, and get back to the motorcycle stuff again. Well, so that's what we did. We sold the house, condensed everything into an RV with the car on a tow dolly behind us, and we headed north just before Christmas, hoping to get to my friend before Christmas. Not to be. Canada was not ready for me, and they said I was not ready for Canada, so they sent me packing. Ooh, there's a story in that whole thing for one-on-one shop talk time. So there we were, headed south instead of north. Fortunately, I have a very, very close friend with a little place out in nowhere who opened his door to us, and we got to spend the holidays and New Year's with my friend and his family. And here it is, January 10th, and he's got kids in school, and he really doesn't need a family of four under his feet. So we're going to figure out what our options are here and get rolling along. I'm not sure how long it's going to take before Canada's ready for me, so that's in the works. And in the meantime, we're hanging in Limbo. George Carlin, Limbo, Google that sometime. It's a good little skit from George Carlin about Limbo. I'm in Limbo. We're in Limbo. There's a family of four hanging in Limbo here. Fortunately, we have this RV. It has heat. And that's it. So you won't be seeing any motorcycle videos from me for a bit. BMWs are on hold. I have a lot of material to review and edit and lots of projects in the works, but all of that's on bake right now because I've got life and family to deal with. And, jeez, I haven't said anything all this time to any of you because there was a plan. And once I got to my destination, I was, hey, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, here's what's going on. Well, we're still in Limbo. So here it is, Limbo. So I don't know what to tell you. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to update you more now that I got the word out what's going on. I'll throw more updates so you can follow along with this shit show. In the meantime, thank you. I hope your year is going well. Health is good, so it's okay here. Going well here. Just gotta get out of Limbo. Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye for now. Hope to see you soon.